Welcome back, future medicos. In this video, we are going to look at the stray vacancy round procedure for KMC Manipal, KMC Mangaluru, and Manipal Tata Medical College, Jamshedpur. But before going into today's topic, I want to cover some of the courses that are upcoming by Unacademy. So you can crack NEET 2021 with experts through Unacademy. Unacademy brings a lot of batches by top educators. One of the batches that is starting on January 3 is called UM Mead Batch for NEET 2021. So in this course, top educators will help you prepare for medical entrance examination, that is NEET. This course will cover certain topics in physics, chemistry, and biology. I suggest you to click the link provided in the description, go to the Unacademy website and check exactly what are the topics covered in this course. The course will be covered in Hindi and the notes will be provided in English. And another course that is starting on January 4 is called Alpha Achievers Batch. So this batch will be starting on January 4. So both these batches, that is Ummeed as well as Alpha Achievers Batch, it's a paid course. So you need to sign up and pay for the course. So what I will do is I will provide a link to these courses as well as I will provide a referral code. So you can use the referral code, just get MBBS, and you will get 10% discount on the price displayed on Unacademy website. So how to get Unacademy subscription? The steps are explained here. So Plus and Iconic subscription plans are available. So let's crack it with Unacademy. So right now I am on the website of Manipal. So you can see here, there are two documents provided. One, the counseling will happen at Manipal campus. The second counseling will happen at Jamshedpur campus. Both these will be happening simultaneously. You can go to Jamshedpur and you can opt only for Manipal Tata Medical College. If you go to Jamshedpur, you can only select Manipal Tata Medical College. However, if you come to Manipal campus, you have an option to choose either KMC Manipal or KMC Mangaluru or Manipal Tata Medical College, Jamshedpur. In addition, you will also have the option of choosing BDS seats at Manipal and Mangaluru campus. So I strongly advise you to go to Manipal campus because you have more options. Now let's look at the document. So this is the document for the stray vacancy round counseling that is going to happen at Manipal campus. Now you can see here, you are requested to confirm your participation by clicking this link. There is a Google form given. You need to click this and fill this form. So how the form looks like, this is the form. So look at this form and then fill the details, right? You can fill your email address, your NEET roll number, your NEET All India rank, what is your category, whether you are applying for general seats or NRI seats. Then you need to select which college are you interested. If you are interested only in KMC Manipal, then you can just select KMC Manipal. In case if you are interested only in Jamshedpur, then you can just select Jamshedpur. But in case if you are interested in more than one college, then you can select how many colleges you want. Say for example, if you want to select all the three colleges, you are interested in Manipal, you are interested in Mangalore, you are interested in Jamshedpur, then you can select all the three. But you are not interested in BDS, then leave it vacant. But if you are also interested in BDS, you can also select the BDS. So whatever you want, you can select. Any number of combinations is acceptable. Okay. So select according to your choices, whichever you are interested, select it. Now I have selected only the three medical colleges. Then you can write your name, date of birth. Look at the date of birth. It is in the format month, date, and year. Okay. Normally we write date, month, year. Then a gender. Okay. Whatever the gender you can fill. Nationality, parent's name, address. Okay. There are three lines for the address, which is your city, your state, your PIN code, your mobile number, parent mobile number, candidate email ID, parent email ID. This is the total maximum marks and this is the total marks obtained. You also need to upload the photo, JPEG format, and name the file with NEET roll number. Signature, you can upload the signature. All documents in original to be uploaded as a single merged PDF file. Scan all your documents, and then make it as a single PDF file. Okay, what are the documents you need to upload? The document list is given below. There are 15 documents that are shown here. So look at whatever documents that are relevant to you. You need to scan them and upload as one single PDF file. If you are applying to Manipal Tata Medical College, Jamshedpur, there are certain additional documents. You can look at that. If you are applying for NRI or NRI sponsored category, there are additional documents. So look at the list of documents and then scan the documents and compile into single PDF file. And finally, once you read this declaration, you click I agree and then you can submit it. So this is the form online registration that is compulsory you need to do before going to counseling. This step is the very first step. Now what else? So once the online registration is completed, you can see that these are the vacant seats as of now. As of now, KMC Manipal campus have 7 seats under general management. KMC Mangalore have 2 seats under general vacancy and 23 seats under NRI. And then Manipal Tata Jamshedpur has 5 seats vacant under general category. So under general category, we have 7 plus 2, 9, 9 plus 5, 14 seats. So you can participate in the counseling for 14 seats if you go to Manipal. And also it is possible that some of these 23 NRI vacancies might be converted into general management if there are not adequate candidates under NRI category. And once these NRI seats are converted, it will be offered under the general category with general category fees. Now there is also BDS seats under Manipal campus. There is 1 seat. Under Mangaluru campus, we have 47 seats vacant. Now who can participate in the counseling? Anybody whose name is shown in the eligible candidate list for deemed university stay vacancy, which will be released by MCC. So MCC will be publishing a list on 7 January. So right now the registration for MCC is open from 4th January to 6th January. I recommend everyone to go and register if you have not registered previously. If you have registered previously, then don't need to register now. Because unless you register with MCC, you cannot participate in the counseling with any other college. So it is important for you to get your name appearing in the MCC eligible list. So this is the first step. On 7 January, you need to check whether your name is in the eligible list. Then once your name is on the eligible list and you have submitted the online registration, then on 12th January, you can go to Manipal, Karnataka. What is the location? KMC Lecture Halls, Manipal Academy of Higher Education, Manipal, Karnataka. Go here before 9:30 a.m. and there will be a physical reporting. You need to report to the college and then there will be a registration at the spot. So you need to register again. There is an online registration, which is a prior intimation. Whereas at the time of counseling, on the day of counseling, again, you need to register. So not only register here, you also need to do the document verification and you need to make the fee payment even before arriving at the counseling. The day before, you can take a DD, you can do an online transfer, you can do a wire transfer in case of NRIs, then show the proof of the payment. So typically, I advise you all to take DD. If you are local candidate, take the DD. Because the advantage of DD is if you don't get a seat at the end of the day, you can collect the DD and go back. If you do an online transfer, then the refund will take about 7 days in case you don't get a seat. So I advise you all to take a DD so that immediately the next day you can take back and get the money back from the bank. Unfortunately, in case you don't get a seat. I wish that you all should get a seat, but in case if you don't get a seat, then at least you can get back the money faster. So DD is preferable. Now, once this is done, that is the registration, which means it's not just the registration. You are reporting, then registration happens, then document verification happens, then fee payment confirmation happens, then you can wait. You have to wait until 3 p.m. Around 2:30, 2:45, they will be publishing a merit list, okay, based on whoever has reported to the college on that particular day. Okay, the merit list is not based on online registration. The merit list is based on whoever is reporting to the college on that particular day with original documents and the fee payment done. Only for those candidates, the merit list will be prepared and the merit list will be displayed. And following the display of the merit list, candidates will be called one by one from the merit list based on the rank, and seat allotment will happen. And once the seat allotment completes, then admission formalities will be happening. So MBBS admission will be happening on 12 January and BDS admission will be happening on 13 January. So candidates must physically report to the reporting venue as per the reporting schedule for registration. Any authorized person in absence of the candidate will not be entertained. You cannot send authorized person. You as a candidate must be there along with one of your parents. Candidates reporting to Manipal are eligible to participate in KMC Manipal, KMC Mangalore, MTMC Jamshedpur, and then Manipal BDS and Mangaluru BDS. However, if you are reporting to Jamshedpur, you can participate only for Jamshedpur campus. Now, both Jamshedpur as well as Manipal, the registration will happen at the same day, 12 January, between 9:30 a.m. and 12 noon. And after the registration completes, there will be a combined merit list prepared for candidates reporting at Jamshedpur as well as Manipal. Okay, so there is no disadvantage in terms of the merit list, but if you come to Manipal, you have an advantage of more seats available, more colleges available. And please take note that you should have all the documents in original. You have no choice. Okay, many of you are asking this question. I am already in government college. I am already in this college. I'm already in a private college. I want to go and attend the counseling. Okay, you cannot attend the counseling. You need the original document. If you are interested, you need to resign from your existing college, take the original, go and attend the counseling. But what is the risk? At the end of the day, you may get a seat, you may not get a seat. If you don't get a seat, you cannot come back to your original college. So my advice, anyone who is holding a seat, better stay with your college. Don't try stray vacancy round. The second statement very clearly says you cannot say that my original certificates are with some other college and I have a bona fide certificate. It will not be accepted. Candidates without original documents will not be allowed to participate in the counseling process. It's very, very clear. You need the original documents. No additional time will be provided for producing the original certificates. You cannot say that, oh, you give me the allotment letter at 3 p.m., 5 p.m. I will bring the original documents. No, they won't give you the allotment. Okay, so you must go with the original documents. Then there is a registration form. So before you go, this registration form also you need to take a printout and fill it. Okay, this registration form will look like this. So this registration form also you need to fill the details. This you need to take along with you for your physical counseling. So there is an online registration form you need to do. In addition, there is a physical registration form that you need to take a printout, fill it and carry with you along with other original documents to the counseling. So these are the list of documents you can go through. So additional documents for Jamshedpur, additional documents for NRI category. Fee payment, the fee payment is 14.4 lakhs. So you can click here for fee details. So I will provide a link to all these documents in the description. You can check the details. So this is the fee details. You can go through this. This shows you all the details about fee structure. Like the total fee for the entire course is 64.45 lakhs. It's 4.5 years of charge. If you are an NRI category, then $51,000 per year. And then the fifth year is the half the fees. This is the fees for BDS. This is the hostel fees. Okay, so all the details are there. So you can go through the fee structure also. The mode of the payment. If you are, I strongly recommend you to use the option 3, take the demand draft. Okay, this is for NRI candidates. Merit list will be displayed at 2:45 p.m. on 12 January 2021. Seat allotment process. First, NRI categories will be filled, and if there are any vacancies in NRI category, it will be converted to general category and it will be offered to general candidates. And then admission form. Once allotment is done, admission formalities can be done, and then hostel can be booked. And if we, in case, unfortunately, if you don't get a seat, not everyone get a seat, right? There are only about few seats are vacant, but probably hundreds of candidates might turn up on that particular day. So whoever didn't get the seat, your original documents will be given back to you, and you also can collect the demand draft, and then you can leave. In case if you are doing an online transfer, then the refund of the fees might take somewhere between 7 days to 10 days, I believe, right? So you can, and then there are some other details, how to reach Manipal, how to reach Jamshedpur, right? All these you can look at it. And this is the document for Jamshedpur. Candidates who want to report to Jamshedpur, there is a separate document. You can go through this. Most of the details are same, except that the form, online form you need to fill is different. This is, you can see here, this is only for Manipal Tata Medical College, Jamshedpur. Fill this form only if you are interested only in Manipal Tata Medical College. You are not interested in Manipal, you are not interested in Mangalore, then you can fill this. And you need to go to Jamshedpur. So fill the correct form. If you are going to Manipal, fill the Manipal form. If you are going to Jamshedpur, fill the Jamshedpur form. Now, one thing I want to show you is, this is a summary of the information available so far. I have collected information about 3 colleges so far. BLDE Bijapur. NRI counseling is happening on 9 January 2021. And then management quota, the registration will be physically, you need to go to the college. There is no online registration for this college. All are physical reporting. NRI, between 3rd January to 8th January, you need to physically report. For management quota, you need to physically report on 12th January. So the counseling for NRIs will be happening on 9 January, and the counseling for management quota will be happening on 12th January. And similarly, AIMS New Delhi, for all the 19 institutions, the counseling will be happening on 12th January. The registration details are still not available, but the counseling will be happening on 12th January. And then the 3 colleges, KMC Manipal, KMC Mangalore, and Manipal Tata, for both management quota and NRI, the registration, online registration is open now. You can do the online registration and then do the physical reporting on 12th January. Now you can see the problem here. You can see that all the 3 colleges, the counseling is happening on the same day, 12th January. So now you need to choose which is your preference. Do you want to go to AIMS? Do you want to go to KMC Manipal? Are you interested in BLDE Bijapur? So you have to choose. So these are only the 3 colleges. In fact, 19 AIMS plus 3 plus 1. So 23 colleges are here. In addition, there will be more colleges that will be providing the notification. And as I get the notification, I will try to share the information with you. Okay. Thank you very much. I see you soon in some other video. Take care. Bye-bye.